Future perfect tense. Goals for energy conservation. Success. Energy conservation is crucial in today's world in order to preserve the environment and ensure a sustainable future for all. When we talk about energy conservation goals, we can use the future perfect tense to express actions that will be completed at a certain point in the future. By setting clear goals and using the future perfect tense, we can outline our plans for success in energy conservation. One of the key goals for energy conservation success will be reducing carbon emissions by 50% in the next 5 years. By 2030, we will have implemented renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power to achieve this target. These sources will have replaced coal and oil-based energy, significantly reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Another important goal is to have insulated all homes and buildings by 2025. By then, all buildings will have undergone energy-efficient retrofits to reduce heating and cooling costs. This will have saved a significant amount of energy and reduced the carbon footprint of the community. Furthermore, by 2030, we will have increased public transportation ridership by 30%. This will have been achieved through the expansion of public transportation services, increased accessibility, and improved infrastructure. As a result, the number of cars on the road will have been reduced, leading to decreased carbon emissions and improved air quality. In addition, by 2025, we will have implemented a comprehensive recycling program that will have reduced waste sent to landfills by 50%. This program will have encouraged people to recycle more and reduce their waste production. As a result, we will have preserved valuable resources and reduced the environmental impact of waste disposal. In conclusion, setting clear goals for energy conservation and using the future perfect tense to express these goals is essential for success. By outlining our plans for the future and visualizing the outcomes, we can work towards achieving a more sustainable and environmentally friendly world for generations to come. Let's strive for a future where energy conservation is not just a goal, but a reality that we have successfully achieved.